We will dive into the world of Spotify playlists and explore how you can change their names. We'll also share some inspiration for naming your playlists. Let's start with the basics. If you're using the Spotify app on your mobile, you can change the name of a playlist by locating it in your library. Once you've found it, tap the three-dot icon located beneath the playlist's name. From the options that appear, select Edit Playlist. Now, you'll see a field below the cover image where you can enter a new name for your playlist. Once you've typed in the desired name, tap Save. But what about those of you who are on the desktop app or web player? Simply right-click the playlist name on the left side and choose Edit Details to type the new name. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, if you are the creator or owner of a collaborative playlist, you have full control over its name, description, and image, as well as the ability to modify the songs within it. However, if you are only a collaborator, you won't have the authority to change the playlist's name. But what should you name your playlist? Allow us to offer some inspiration. Consider the purpose behind creating the playlist. Is it centered around a specific theme, such as Christmas, a particular genre, or a certain mood? Once you've identified the core essence of your playlist, you can enhance its title with a descriptive word or phrase. Common choices include vibes, tunes, mood, picks, or simply playlist. For instance, if you're curating a Christmas-themed playlist, you could opt for names like Christmas Vibes, Christmas Tunes, Christmas Mood, Christmas Picks, or Christmas Playlist. These titles effectively convey the spirit of your musical collection. But what if you're aiming for humor? If your playlist is intended to be light-hearted or amusing, you can get creative with puns, memes, or longer, more specific phrases to generate a playlist name that brings a smile to your face. Now, what if your playlist is on the sadder side? If your collection evokes melancholy emotions, it's important to find a name that captures the sentiment without being overly explicit. Instead of a generic title like Soundtrack to My Sag, consider something more personal and evocative. If the songs within your playlist are associated with a particular somber event, such as a breakup or the passing of a loved one, you could use a title like December 2, 2019, or include the name of the person involved. Lastly, for all the rap enthusiasts out there, creating a rap-themed playlist with a captivating name is a breeze. Look for lyrics within your playlist songs or find a lyric that encapsulates the essence of your collection. For example, an Eminem-themed playlist could bear the name Mom's Spaghetti, drawing from his famous track, Lose Yourself. By exploring the lyrics of the music you've chosen, you'll discover inspiration for unique and memorable playlist names. That's it. Thanks for watching.